What if I told you there's a car so rare, so fast, and so obsessively handcrafted, even billionaires have to get in line? It's not a Ferrari, not a Bugatti, not a McLaren. We're diving deep into the Pagani Huayra, a car that's less of a machine and more of a masterpiece on wheels. Engineered for speed, designed like art, built with an obsession for perfection. But hold tight, because we're not just talking specs. We're uncovering the philosophy, the insane design secrets, the raw AMG-powered fury, and the unbelievable story behind one of the most exclusive hypercars ever created. Stick around till the end to uncover the hidden piece of aerospace tech inside the Huayra that 99% of people have no idea even exists. Let's fire it up. The moment you lay eyes on the Huayra, it doesn't feel like a car. It feels like it was designed in another dimension. Every curve, sculpted by airflow. Every line, drawn by aerodynamics. And it's not just made of carbon fiber. Pagani invented Carbo-Titanium, a composite so strong it can withstand F1 level G-forces, yet it's lighter than your daily commuter's bumper. Even the mirrors are aerodynamic teardrops, inspired by a woman's eye. Yes, that's real. There are 1,400 titanium bolts used in this car, each one laser-etched with the Pagani logo. Imagine that. Custom bolts, each one costing over $80 a piece. And the flaps? That's where the magic happens. The Huayra features active aerodynamics with 4 independently controlled flaps that rise and fall in real time, giving you cornering grip when you need it and slicing through wind on the straightaways. This car isn't just fast, it's intelligently fast. Now, let's talk power. Raw, neck-snapping, chest-thumping power. Inside the Huayra lives a 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged AMG V12, custom-built in Germany and shipped to Modena, Italy. Power? 720 horsepower. Torque? 738 pound-feet. 0 to 60? In just 2.8 seconds. Top speed? A mind-blowing 238 miles per hour. But numbers don't do it justice. Turn the key, and it growls like an animal that's barely contained. The sound is pure, mechanical opera. No fake exhaust tuning. No artificial enhancements. Just pure, unfiltered combustion. And the transmission? A 7-speed automated manual, chosen over a dual clutch because it's lighter and offers a rawer, more connected feel. In the Huayra, you don't just drive. You engage in a dialogue with the machine. Step inside, and welcome to another universe. The interior of the Pagani Huayra is unlike anything else on the road. It's like a blend between a Swiss watch, a steampunk fantasy, and a private jet cockpit. The gear lever is a mechanical sculpture, fully exposed so you can watch each component move. The dashboard looks like it was lifted straight out of a luxury yacht. Polished aluminum, hand-stitched leather, and carbon fiber wrap every inch. Switches? Real metal toggle switches like an aircraft. The seats? Hand-stitched perfection. Customizable to your exact taste. You can choose everything from the stitching pattern to the type of leather imported from Italian tanneries. And get this, the instrument cluster is analog, but digitally controlled. Every gauge has physical needles, lit by digital sensors. It's analog beauty meets digital soul. Don't let the retro styling fool you. This is one of the most technologically advanced hypercars on the planet. Active suspension reads the road and adjusts damping on the fly. The entire car's computer processes real-time telemetry to optimize aerodynamics, ride height, and grip. Even the tires are custom-designed Pirellis, developed specifically for the Huayra's weight, torque curve, and aero profile. The car constantly balances itself using gyroscopic data to enhance cornering stability and minimize body roll, especially during hard braking and acceleration. And the flaps? Again, they're smart. At high speeds, they adjust individually to reduce lift. In tight corners, the inner flaps help counteract body roll, giving it spaceship-level grip. This isn't just engineering. This is automotive sorcery. The man behind the madness, Horacio Pagani, is more than just a car guy. He grew up in Argentina, swept floors at Lamborghini, then went on to challenge the giants with nothing but a dream and a vision to create the most beautiful, fastest, most artistic cars the world has ever seen. Pagani doesn't operate like other manufacturers. Each car is made to order, by hand, and with heart. They only produce a few dozen Huayras a year, and every customer is personally involved in the process, choosing colors, materials, details, even the sound of the exhaust. No two Huayras are the same. Pagani doesn't just sell you a car, they sell you an experience. Now, here's that secret aerospace tech we teased. The Huayra's interior uses a material called avianyl, an aluminum alloy originally developed for fighter jets. Why? Because it's ultra-light, ultra-strong, and adds that space-age touch Pagani is obsessed with. Also, hidden inside the door is a tiny signature plaque with the names of all the engineers who built that specific car. And here's the kicker. If a Huayra is ever crashed, Pagani doesn't send it to a dealership. They fly in the original build team to restore it, piece by piece, back to factory condition. That's not a car. That's rolling art with a soul. So what do you think? Is the Pagani Huayra the ultimate fusion of art and engineering? Would you take it over a BugAatti Chiron, a Koenigsegg Jesko, or a Ferrari SF90? Let us know in the comments below. We read everyone. And if this video gave you chills, smash that like button, subscribe for more jaw-dropping hypercar deep dives, and tap that bell icon so you don't miss the next ride. This is Fuel vs Volt, where we don't just review cars. We tell their stories. See you in the next gear.